Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here. Today we are making porridge, what we call oatmeal. I am back from England where they know how to do porridge right. We are using steel cut oats, also known as pinhead oats, also known as Irish oats. Gonna get these guys going right now. They're not very pretty, but as they cook, and it takes about 15 to 20 minutes, the oats soak up all the water, they become creamy, luscious, and I love this oatmeal. It is also the thing for me right now because I have been sick. Had a great time in England, came back, tested positive for COVID. I had a super mild case and I am way grateful. Masked, double vaxxed, double boosted, and plant-based. Look, there's a study that shows that a plant-based diet can help fight the worst of COVID. I want that for you. So please, everyone, this pandemic has not gone away. So I want you well and healthy. And if you have had COVID, I'd like to know what your symptoms have been and how you're doing with it. Now, porridge, oatmeal. It's oats. And as I said, I'm doing pinhead oats. These are these great whole grain, toasty, nutty oats that are really my favorite. They are, I'd say, more intense, like I am, than the rolled oats we're used to here. And if you are a overnight oats person, the softer, gentler oats are the ones you want. These will get wet, but not a lot more. One of the things I thought was kind of interesting about being in England was they had cherries and apricots and fresh peaches and all the sweet summer fruits that we don't really get here unless they come from a little further north. But they like to serve their porridge with coconut and banana, and I'm thinking, hey, those are our local fruits. So that's kind of what I'm doing here, and I'm making it extra tropical with mango and carambola, also known as starfruit, from right up the block from my neighbors. The coconut, like the oats, is organic from Let's Do Organic. And I am gonna toast a handful in a dry skillet. Takes just a minute. In fact, I can already see some of the bits turning brown. That's coconut in a dry skillet. Took about 3 minutes over a moderately high heat. And you can see it's gotten nice and toasting, and it smells all buttery and good. Okay, so 10 minutes in, you can see the oats have gotten nice and thick, and this is a matter of personal oat optimization. I happen to like mine a little thicker, so I'm going to give it a few more minutes. These are all starfruit at various stages of ripeness. When they're growing from our neighbor's tree, they are like this, kind of like little magic lanterns. And really, they are at their sweetest when they start to brown like this. So I want a little sweetness, and they get their name starfruit. When you slice them like this, you get these beautiful little stars. As soon as these oats are done, I'm topping it with fruit and I'm going to eat it. But if you are planning to linger a little, or it may take you some time to get your breakfast on the table, I would give the banana a squeeze of lemon so it doesn't oxidize and turn brown and not pretty. You want a pretty banana. So this is optimal oats for me. I like it very thick and creamy. And now I'm going to add a few stars, a few bananas, some mango that I diced up from my neighbor, and a handful of coconut. So this to me is comforting, energizing, just the best way to treat yourself right when maybe you're feeling a little wrong. So, till next time, everyone. Be well, eat your oats, eat your porridge. This is Ellen Canner. Thanks. Bye-bye.